Alright, what we have here is an old Sears Craftsman air compressor. I'll get a good picture of it later. It's pretty old. And what was going on was I tried turning the shaft with the flywheel on there, and it was getting stuck in one spot. And I couldn't figure out why. I mean, I had a feeling what it was, but couldn't really figure it out. So I decided to take it apart. I took the flywheel off. It was looking like the shaft was bent, but it's now looking like the flywheel is the thing that's bent. And so I got the cylinder head right here. As you can see, the flappers are pretty rusted up. They don't look too pretty. And that is the inside of the crankshaft, or I'm sorry, the cylinder head. Yeah, that's why it wouldn't go up all the way or turn all the way around.